Tip number 7, how to make great PowerPoint presentations. Because PowerPoint presentation needs skills, your expertise, because audience lose attention very easily. So when you want to engage the audience, when you want to have interaction with them, your PowerPoint must have a great things. These tips will improve your PowerPoint presentation skills. These skills or these tips will improve the audience retentions. If you are depending your PhD thesis or master defense, there are panels, they are listening to you, or if you are doing business presentations or general talk, so you must need to include these tips. So tip number 7 is basically use few colors and appropriate ones. So for example, look here, what I recommend, most of the people do not recommend red color, but I think it's a very, very nice color. Who told that don't use red color? What I recommend, only these three colors, use these three colors, use this black. If you can change colors from here, use these colors tremendously. Use the red colors and the blue and the red one and the black one, and from here you can easily change here the colors, font size. If you don't like these colors, so you just go to more colors. From here you can take the darks or darkest or little bit one, you see here, from here you see here. So these colors are very, very appropriate if your background is white. I strongly recommend the red one, strongly recommend this one, the blue one. If you use these combinations, it makes sense. And why I want to use different colors, not more than 3. Why? Because for example, if I use a single color here, let's see black one here, so you see the audience will lose interest and it's difficult for them to read. But if I use these things, something, look now, if I use this one, this one, and if I use this one, the red one for instance, you see, so they will see now, and they will read it easily. They will read it very easily. You see here. So now they can read, and there is a break using these colors. Use few colors. This color will attract their eyes. This color will attract their eyes, and this color will attract their eyes. But if you use one color, so that is a little bit problematic, and that is difficult to attract the audience. So you use this, for example, one color, use this for example, and if you use another line, so just you use that one, another separate like red one. Don't mix this one thing, but you see, use this one here, you see here. So this way you can improve your presentation skills. So what I recommend that please use different colors and also variety of colors. Okay, so these are the few colors I recommend: the blue one and the red one and the white one. I strongly recommend these 3 colors. You must need to use while preparing your PowerPoint presentation, and do not use more than these 3. You see, these 3 colors I strongly recommend if your background is white. But now if your background is black, and many people also recommend this, so there are few colors. Either you have to use this one is from here, this one, and either you have to use this one, and this one is also from here. It's very clear, this one, and this one is also, you see, it is light. So it is light, so it look like you use this one, this is not light, you see. If you use this one, this is not light, but these colors are light. You see this color is also good, nice, you see, and white is also good here. So these are the way how you use font, how you use colors in order to improve your presentations and improve your presentation skills and get the audience attention. Thanks for watching.